Hi, I'm Byron Warnken. Today's video, we're going to talk about how much do lawyers really cost? And I think it starts with breaking lawyers down into two basic types. Lawyers that serve businesses versus lawyers that serve consumers. There's also government lawyers and policy lawyers, etc., but they're not typically charging a fee to a client. Lawyers that serve businesses are often charging hourly. Not always, sometimes it's flat fee, but often charging by the hour. And their price per hour, depending upon who they are and what kind of work they're doing, is anywhere from $200 an hour to $2,000 an hour or more. $2,000 an hour, by the way, if they bill and collect 2,000 hours a year, do the math, 4 million bucks, right? If they serve businesses, typically by the hour and a very high hourly rate. If they serve consumers, what kind of cases am I talking about? I'm talking about criminal defense. I'm talking about personal injury, workers' compensation, medical malpractice, estate planning. If they serve consumers, it's typically some sort of hybrid fee or a contingency fee or a pure flat fee. It's not usually hourly because hourly can get incredibly expensive. One exception, family law lawyers typically do charge hourly. And that's why divorce and child custody are just incredibly expensive to litigate and work through. My business, my firm, we handle personal injury, workers' compensation, medical malpractice, wrongful death. It is almost always, I say almost always, it's always a contingency fee basis. What does that mean? It means I get a percentage of what I can recover for you and your family. If I don't get anything for you and your family, I don't get anything for myself. So we're essentially partners in the case. We have complete aligned interests there. Criminal defense lawyers, oftentimes they're doing it on a flat fee basis. So they might say, okay, well, you got a DUI, my fee for that is $5,000. You committed a robbery, my fee for that is $15,000, whatever the case may be. Sometimes a criminal lawyer will do some level of hourly work, depending upon how complicated the case might be. Federal criminal work, white-collar criminal work, oftentimes that's going to be hourly because you just never know how much it's going to be, how in-depth the case is going to be. You start with the analysis, is the lawyer serving a business? Is the lawyer serving an individual? That's the first part of the analysis. Then what kind of practice area? Beyond that, understanding the different fee types, hourly, flat fee, contingency, hybrid, etc. So that's it for today's video. How do lawyers price their services? It depends on who they're serving. If you like this video, subscribe for more videos on law firms, lawyers, and their operations.